name is Sam Turner and I'm a research officer in the climate change theme in ADR Wales. There are three key priorities in the climate change theme. The first is looking at the health impacts of climate-related extreme weather events, things such as heat waves and flooding, and looking at how the risks for these health impacts vary across Wales and how they differ between different population groups. A second priority is conducting research that supports Welsh Government with a just transition. So just transition is, as we move towards net zero, carrying out research that ensures decarbonisation policies and interventions that aim to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels also benefit all of society and help to reduce inequalities rather than widen them. And then finally, we're conducting some exploratory research looking at potential associations between biodiversity and health. There's kind of emerging research suggesting that our contact with nature can actually improve our immunity and protect us from allergies. So this is kind of an exploratory area that we will be looking into. The World Health Organization recently declared climate change as the single biggest threat to human health. And in Wales, we're already observing the impacts of climate change. We've got increasing heat waves, floods, droughts and coastal erosion. And all of these will have a direct impact on our physical and mental well-being. Often when we talk about climate change, it can start to feel a bit doom and gloom, but the climate crisis can also be viewed as an opportunity to accelerate societal change for the better. Policies and interventions that will be introduced in the coming decades to build climate resilience in Wales will also have the potential to benefit health and to reduce inequalities. For example, active travel interventions are a win-win. Not only do they reduce our carbon emissions, they also improve air quality, health and reduce road traffic injuries. And so to respond to the climate crisis, the Welsh Government has introduced several key policies, including the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act and Net Zero Wales. And they've declared a decade of action and have a clear mandate to embed the climate crisis in everything that we do to build a greener, stronger, fairer Wales. And the recent programme of work that was published by Welsh Government has guided all of the research priorities in this theme. We're working on a couple of projects in the climate theme. The first project is linking anonymised travel and education data in the SaIL Data Bank to establish the potential for all pupils in Wales to travel actively to school, and this is to inform future active travel interventions. We're developing projects around quantifying the impacts of extreme weather events on health in Wales. For example, one project that we're looking at is specifically focusing on the impacts of increasing heat waves on pregnancy and birth outcomes. We're also involved in a cross-university collaborative funding application at the moment, which is centred around building resilience in coastal communities. And then generally we're just searching for new climate-related data sources to bring into ADR Wales and building collaborations with different disciplines, stakeholders and the public, as effective solutions to climate change will need everybody to be at the table, including health data science.